Good afternoon, everyone. Am I audible? Am I audible?
Yes, sir.
Thank you. We'll wait for 2 more minutes. Let's see if someone is there. Let them join. People are still coming. Chemical people are coming. I think we should start now. So we will start. Okay, everyone, get ready with your pen and notebook. Pen or pencil or whatever in your notebook. Get ready. Okay. As I told you earlier, we will have some problems of orthographic projection solved by you before proceeding further. My screen is visible.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now solve for this. See what is written. Draw three views of this object by first angle projection method. First of all, everyone draw the front view. If there is any hidden line, you must show that hidden line also. Show me first of all front view. It should not take much time, okay? In 2 or 3 minutes everything should be done. We are not having any dimension or something like that, so that accuracy is looking for also. Please anyone draw on my screen front view of this fast. Why this black line? Who drawn this and rubbed it? Why are you rubbing? Draw it, but do it fast. So if I say about this is conceptually correct, but these things are not here. It will be just shifted this side. Okay. Now we will see the actual front view. What will be the top view? So this is the front view. See what I told you? This is not exactly matching. Understand? This thing is not matching. It is just away. So this thing is away. But how it is done, you know, every angle, every point is extended towards that vertical plane which we will be having here. Okay, this is the vertical plane on which you are making the front view. Okay, what will be the top view? Do it fast. Yeah, take it bit take it bit closer. Rishi, you are not having exact correct image. Now, who is this zero CH027 number? I'm not able to see. Okay, anyone please fast draw. Don't waste much time. Yeah, this is also not correct. Okay, fine. But okay, you are showing it from other direction. Otherwise, you rotate your notebook 180-degree. Okay, this is it. This is correct. Tanuj. Tanuj is correct. Now, what is who is this? Yes, Ganesh. It seems conceptually correct. Neil, it looks correct. Next, anyone fast? Show me your drawings. Then only you will have confidence. It will help you only. Tushar, this seems correct, but you are missing one thing. What? Please check yours, Tushar. There is some mistake. Okay, I will show now. I will show everyone. So this is it. Understand? Now draw the side view. Side view looking from this side fast. Draw someone fast. You are taking too much time. It took 1 minute for me. So it must take not more than 5 minutes to you. Sorry, not more than 2 minutes to you. Dhruv, show it properly. I'm not able to see. One part is missing, Dhruv. Now, is this? You, Neil, take a closer look. There is one mistake in this. One mistake. So no, as such, it's fine, fine. Okay, okay. I will show now. Here's the answer. Here it is. Okay, so you were missing this dotted line. Understood? This dotted line will be there because this is through. Okay, like this. This vertical gap is there. Clear? Okay. You check. You are your own supervisor. You check your drawing. Question is with you, answer is with you, and try to improve the next time. Okay, we are not going to check for individual person, but still you check by yourself. Understand? Okay, we'll see one more before proceeding further. This is the start, and what we will do, we will have xy line, then it is resting on horizontal plane. This object is resting on a horizontal plane, so it will touch this xy line. This is the front view, a front angle projection method, first angle projection method. So front view will come over xy line, okay, like this. Then top view will come below. We generally assume that it is not touching both the planes together. It is generally away, some amount away. There is no fixed amount, but we can take 1 centimeter to 2 centimeter away, like this. Okay, so this is the top view, which is coming underneath the front view, and we will have side view here. This is all again resting on horizontal plane. Clear? So this is it. You should be having this solution with you. XY line is important. Okay, draw it for this fast. I'll wait only 2 minutes, and then someone will draw on my screen. Come on, someone draw on my screen fast. Otherwise, show me yours drawing. It will be a lot faster. And one thing you should do is when I show this picture without answer like this, you first of all capture the screen. So you will have question with you. Then when I will show the answer like this, you capture that screen also. So you will have question and answer together also. But you have question like this separately. So that if you want to solve it later on also, you can do it by your own. And you can check the answer also. Someone please show me. This Ganesh one line is missing. Check it out. Next. Please, anyone show me who is this? Tanuj also. Tanuj, you have one access line and one line missing. Chalo, next. Now, remaining people, please take interest. Don't sit idle. Otherwise, I will start taking names. You are misjudging one line, Ganesh. One line is misjudged. चलो कोई और दिखाओ भाई. ये कौन है? CH005 नंबर. Who is that? नजदीक ले जाओ थोड़ा. टिकट नियर. टिकट नियर. इस 005 CH005 नजदीक ले जाओ. Okay, you are missing one line. This Ankur CH17. That is correct. Ankur. This Decan, I think CH004. That is also correct. Tushar, one line is missing. Aditya, it seems correct. It seems okay because I at times I am not able to see it properly. Dhruv, it seems correct. Now it's no. You are missing two lines. You are missing two lines. Nikhil is missing one line. Who is this? ME005 ticket near. It seems more or less correct. ME005. Okay, so now let us see what is the answer. Fine. This is the front view. This is it. But now here also one line is missing. It is mistake. Fine. I will tell which line is missing. This this is through. Okay, throughout it is passage. So we'll be having. We don't know exact dimension, so we are assuming. So it can happen. So now it, though it don't look like. I'll change the color. Okay. Actually, it is not matching this. So ideally, line should be there like this. And one more line is missing in this. Can someone draw? In this answer, one more line is missing. Can someone draw? Yes, correct. Here. Okay, okay, fine, fine, fine. Nice. I like this. So one line here is missing. And that will be the solid visible line. And this line will be hidden line. That was missing. Fine. So this is it. Now draw the top view. Now if you are done with front view, you start drawing top view, side view, etc. And now you know what is first angle projection method, third angle projection method. So accordingly what it is asked, here it is first angle is asked. So draw in that manner. Don't do scattered here one place, here one view here, one view there, like that. Don't do that. Draw rough but proper. Okay, who is this? Tanuj, correct, correct. Tanuj, correct. Now Tushar seems correct. Okay, someone new people also show me. I will take name now. CV004 number. Who is that? CV004 number.
Sir, me only. No, Anuj.
अच्छा हो गया तुम्हारा, ठीक है. Now I will take one more number. CH027. Who is this? Girl, Piansi. Show me your drawing. This Ganesh seems correct. Aditya seems correct. Priyanshi, you are missing two lines, Priyanshi. Who is this CH007? Not able to see properly. Bring it near to the screen. Dhruv, it seems correct. Nice. Okay. More or less. Now what I am feeling that we majority of the class is getting correct every time. So that is good indication. Fine. We'll keep doing this. Okay. So this is now we will see. This is it. Again, two lines are missing. Okay. For those two lines, you start drawing side view like this. So two dotted line are missing here that we have drawn. Okay, draw side view fast. Don't take much time. And even in rough, you can do it by projections. Okay, you can have it by projections. Tushar, one line missing. If you do it by projection, you will be getting it lot better. This who is this ME005? Take it near. ME005. Take it near. A bit down. A bit down. थोड़ा नीचे की साइड ले जाओ कैमरा. नीचे की साइड मतलब not near. Okay, you are missing one line. You are missing one line. Anyone else? Please. I'll take name. CH020 number. This is correct. Arjun. Arjun, it seems correct. But wait a second. Yes, it's precise. Precise. Arjun is correct. This Ganesh is also correct. CV003 number. This is not correct. Now CH020 number. Show me. ME001. Please show me. Ankur, that seems correct. Yeah, Ankur is actually more correct. Arjun, I told you yes, but you were missing one line. You were missing one line. Now this seems correct. Okay, so a lot of people are doing it correct and properly, and that is good thing. So we'll see now what is the answer. Those who has not done, please do this. Okay, so this is side view, but it is missing few things. Let us see. Yeah, okay, fine. In this one, that line is covered in front of you. Here, that line is missing again. Okay, now here it is again one line is being missed. What line is missing? Here this line is missing. and here this thing will be having this line like this. Okay, so this is the solution. Fine, nice that people are doing good and correct. Okay, so now we will stop this here and we will again do it in next class for a few more example and we will keep doing this. Now I will share our current topic. Okay, if someone is still showing, no, fine. Okay, so I will stop sharing this and I will switch it over to next one. Is my screen visible?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now we will continue our topic of projection of line. See, we have seen last time the projection of line which is inclined to both the plane. Fine. Now before that, let me ask you a few things. Is anyone having some problem in assignment or say sheet problem one which I have given you?
सर वो डाउट सॉल्व हो गया
Who is this?
ब्रिजेश
Okay, you called me yesterday.
यस सर
Okay, it is solved now.
यस सर
How it is solved? You ask your friend.
हाँ
You ask your friend. How,
सर वो सॉल्व हो गया वो दूसरा था
how it is solved? That I am asking you. You asked your friends or something like that. Are you getting me, Bridges? Can you hear me? Am I audible to everyone?
Yes, sir.
Okay. What I want to say is, if you find some doubt, discuss among yourself. Okay, because you are 20 generally what we are having even after combining two class we are just reaching up to 20-21%. So these people are regular. Okay, so this you 21 variety of people are there. So someone may be thinking like that, those etc. And you must be having your unofficial groups also. So you discuss such things. Have habit of discussion among friends. Okay. lot of problem will be solved. Okay, if you can't understand, then you can ask me, and I am asking again and again every time. Is there any doubt? Is there any doubt? So you write, then you ask me. It will be a lot easier to explain rather than anytime else. Okay, it is nice that your problem is solved. Okay, we will now see how to find true length and true inclinations of the line. We have already seen true length. What is the true length? When you can get true length, that we have seen. When we can have true length? When we can have true length of any line? Answer me. Please answer me.
Parallel to any plane.
Yes, when that line will become parallel to, say for example, VP. Now if that line becomes parallel to VP, then VP gives us the front view. So in front view, in that rotated position, front view, we'll get the true length. Same happens if the line becomes parallel to HP, we'll get the true length in top view. Okay. Now, what are the true inclination symbols? We discussed it yesterday. What are the true inclination symbols?
Theta and
Alpha and
phi.
beta.
Very good. Theta and phi. Theta is with what?
HP.
HP, correct. And phi is with VP.
VP.
What are the apparent
VP.
angle of inclination with HP?
Alpha and beta. Alpha.
Alpha. And here we get beta. Fine. Now, one more thing. True length. This is one. This is sorry. I will just one. Wait a minute. This, and this will get in which view? These things will get in which view?
Top view.
We will get this in which view?
Top view.
Think again. So here what happens whenever you are having just two answers?
Front.
It is
Front view.
front view, because these
Front view.
these angles are with HP, that you can see in front view only. Considering HP will happens to your HP? XY line becomes your HP. Okay, now another thing. These things will get in which view?
Top view.
Top view.
Top view.
Fine. But this true length, if and only if the line is parallel to that particular plane, then only we will have. Otherwise, what we will have here? These things, what we will have? I will write down first letter. True length is fine. We discussed about true length, that is fine. But in that box, what we prepared that box. In that box, two more things are there. Okay, what are those two more things? Think fast. Anyone, please?
Length.
Length.
Locus.
No, locus. No, locus is fine. Yes, we will get locus in both the planes, HP and VP. But actually, what we are getting?
TV and DL.
Length of. Here, what we will get? Whose length we will got here? Length of. This is our front view. Fine. Front view items. These are our top view items. In front view, which length we will be able to see? Length of
Total.
Length of front, top view.
Front top view.
Top view, its length we'll be able to see. View's length. Same, it is alternate. Whereas in top view plane or say horizontal plane, we'll be able to see length of front view. Correct? So this much thing we see here. I will take, see here. We are having it. This is true length, it is fine. I will change the color. This is true length that we will get in front view plane or say vertical plane, what we will get. And theta alpha will get, that is fine. Now what we are getting, see here. This is front view. Okay, which view is this? A dash, B dash. So this is the arc only. So ultimately what is this? It is its length. Similarly, this top view, AB is top view. Fine. So we will get that its length by arcing. Okay, we'll easily get this length, and that ultimately helps us in achieving. Then important thing is this locus. We'll have this locus for both the points. Okay, it will be in its locus will be the straight line in front view as well as in top view if it is inclined at both the plane. Fine. Now we will discuss this. So what we have done, we have rotated few things here only. So this is that only. Okay. So many times in the top and front view of a line are given, the true length and true inclination of line is required to be determined. This is the generally problem statement generally remains like this. These things are given to you and you require to find this thing. That is the problem of projection of line. That's it. What does it say next? Top and front view of the object can be drawn from if any of the following data are available. What you require? First of all, distance between the endpoints and projectors is required. Find distance of one of the both end from HP and VP. So one point must be fixed. If the line contains 2 points, two endpoints, so one point must be clearly fixed. In our problem, A point was fixed. Then apparent inclination must be there. Apparent inclination. So half of the box must be given to you in that item. What we are having, that is first of all is true length, then front view length, then alpha, theta, top view length, 5 and beta. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 things are there. So minimum 4 things should be given to you. 3 to 4 things. Then only you can solve this problem. Understand? Here 3 things are given. And one thing is that one point should be fixed. Everything is required to be guessed. It is not like that. Okay. So we have different methods to solve this problem. What are they? Rotating line method, rotating trapezoidal plane method, and auxiliary plane method. But right now we will focus on this rotating line method only. Okay, for time being. And we have already done this while explaining previous sum. That is this sum only. So things were given and half of the box is to be filled. So we did rotating line. We made parallel. This is the same discussion. First of all, you make parallel to this line. You draw the projection. You take it upwards, and likewise. The method of obtaining the top view and front view of the line when its true length and true inclination are given. True length is given. So true length is given. What are given that I will mark. So true length is given. Then true inclination. So alpha is given. Sorry, theta is given and phi is given. This much is given. So when a view of the line is parallel to xy line, its other view will be the true length and true inclination. That is correct. We have seen that. Understand? If I make the line, given line parallel to HP, how to interpret this here, that we will see. When the line is parallel to xy line, now here the line is parallel to which line? This A dash B dash line is parallel to which plane? This AB is front view of actual line. Then A dash B dash is the line which is made parallel to which plane?
XY.
XY is fine. XY is both. You can have XY at times. XY works as vertical plane, and at times XY works as horizontal plane. But right now, what I am asking, if I am talking about this A dash B2 dash, it is parallel to which plane? HP or VP? Why? चलो आंसर दो फटाफट. Because if this, yes, pick up. बोलो.
Angle theta और
Yes, we are eliminating angle theta, which is the inclination with horizontal plane. So now if I eliminate the angle theta by rotating this here in this manner, so this A dash B2 dash line is parallel to HB because theta is eliminated. Similarly, this A B2, let me see. Yes, this AB2. Is it correct or is it mistake? Huh. If this AB2 is the line, then sorry, AB is the line, then this AB1 is parallel to
VP.
VP.
Okay, that is the thing. Okay, so by following this procedure, we can get the true length and true inclination of a line from given set of top view and front view. Understand? So either what is given, true length is given and true angles are given, or in other cases views are given and then apparent angle are given. Whatever may be, main thing is that box. You first need to prepare that box, keep reading that statement, problem statement, whatever values are given, you fill up that in that box. So ultimately you will get to know. Main thing what you need to remember here is that if this is the solution of projection of line, now pay attention here, if this is the solution of projection of line, this is my xy line, so this is my that vertical plane or say front view plane. In that, what items I am getting? I can get true length, I can get front view, I can get theta, and I can get alpha. Similarly, this top view plane or say horizontal plane, what items I am getting? Top view, true length, phi, and beta. You should know that much. Otherwise, what will happen? You will fill up the box and you will draw beta here. So your whole problem will be wrong. Understand? So this thing you should know. That's it. Now we will see what is next. Okay. So this is that discussion only what we have already seen. We will rather see it in actual problem. Okay. So the projection of straight lines that we will see now in some animations also. Fine. Information regarding a line means, what do I mean? What information is given to you regarding line? Means what? Means this, its length, position of its end, both end, ideally both ends, otherwise one end with HP and VP. Its inclination with HP and VP. Okay. So ideal problem is this: you are given this much and you need to find this. What you need to do? You draw its projection, means front view and top view. Same way, what we are doing, if this is the object, mm, okay, this is my object. Draw front view. I told you, if I told you draw front view, top view, and side view. That is the thing. Ultimately, what you do, you draw the views, projection of views using projection method. You draw different views, whether it is solid object, whether it is point, whether it is line. So what kind of problems we can have? First of all, I will tell you that. First thing, we can have point. Point is given. You need to draw its different views. Then we can have line. You need to draw its views. Then we can have plane also. Plane means 2D diagram. This is single point. This became line. Now plane. We are approaching slowly or high-end geometries. So this plane, you need to again draw the views. And then see, one point is there. Now many points together become line. Fine. Many line together become plane. Many plane become solid. So again, you need to draw the front view, top view, side view of this. Clear? We are already doing this in orthographic projections. Okay. So we are going in two directions. First, we have started this, and we also started this. Ultimately, we will meet here. Understand? Now, other thing. Now, right now, what we are doing, we are stopping with drawing view. That is our ultimate objective. Now, the problems can be reverse also. We are given view. This is front view. This is side view, and this is top view. It is given to you. Assume all are right angle to each other and all are equal size. What will be the object? Now this is given to you. What will be the object?
Cube.
Sorry?
Cube.
Huh?
Cube, the cube.
Yes, that is the answer. So solution will be like this. You understand it? Equilateral. So this his solution will be like this. Currently, what you are doing every day, every session, we are doing 2-3 problems of what? We are doing this way currently. This is given and you are finding this. Okay. But later on after this chapter, what we will have? We will be given this and you will find this. That's called isometric projection. It is called. Fine. In line, what we are discussing right now, we are doing both the things together. Either time you will be given these things for line and you are drawing this. Neither times you will be given these lines and you are finding its true length, etc. True length means line. For line it is true length, and for volumetric entity it will be true shape, true size. Understand? So here we are discussing both the problems together for line. At times you will be given these views and apparent inclinations, and you will be finding true length and true inclination. At times you will be given true length and true inclination, you will be finding views and apparent angles. That's it. Okay, so in line we are doing both problems together. In solid we are doing this problem only, this one right now. Later on we will shift to these also. We have to shift. Understand? Okay. So it is lot clear. If you understand, see, it is like this. If you have successfully gone to college from your home, now the matter to return only. You will successfully, yeah, you know how to go to college. So by using same road, you also know how to return to home from college. Fine. It will be like that. Okay, we will now start. Just hold a second. Okay, now we will see this. Okay, simple cases of line. We have seen this. We have seen it in stationary manner. Now we will understand the same thing in animations. Okay, illustrations are given. Now first, a line perpendicular to HP and parallel to VP. Now first of all, assuming the wall in front of you as vertical plane and the floor on which you are sitting, that is horizontal plane, you adjust your pen according to this statement. A line is perpendicular to HP and parallel to VP. What will be the orientation of line? Fast? Anyone? See, the subject is very nice. You can do it in your home also. You have all the planes. Right now, if you assume you are sitting in one quadrant also, depending upon what quadrant you want to sit, first, second, third, fourth, whatever. Am I correct or not? Same way, you are having vertical plane in front of you, horizontal plane under you. You arrange your line by holding your pen. So what will be the orientation of that pen for this problem? Chalo fast. Am I audible?
Front of VP.
That is, everything is fine. I am just right now, I am not asking for location. What will be its orientation? You understand the difference between location and orientation. Location asks for the precise coordinates, how much it will be away, under, this side, that side, etc. etc. Orientation means its general view will be
Pi
yes.
by 2.
अरे क्या पाई बाई टू कहाँ से आया?
अरे 90 degree orientation.
हाँ तो it will be like this. Who was drawing? Draw it. You are correct. Draw it. So it will be like this. This pink line. Correct? This pink line is correct? Understood or not? Let us. Correct or not? Okay, let us see.
Yes, sir.
So this is it. Red line. Understood? This is the red line. Now we will see the front view. You will project both the points. You will join it. So top view. What you will do? You will project this. And you will join this. That's it. Clear? What is the orthographic position? This is the orthographic pattern of this. Got it? The front view is vertical line showing the true length because it is parallel to vertical plane. Now orient your pen or pencil as per this problem. Fast. Don't waste much time. चलो फटाफट ड्रॉ करो.
सर 2 लाइन लेनी है.
कहाँ है 2 लाइन? अ लाइन लिखा है. अ लाइन. दिस इज सिंगल लाइन. अ लाइन.
Parallel to HP and parallel to VP.
Hmm. चलो चलो ड्रॉ करो यार. Yes, correct. Okay. Now we will see. This is horizontal line. It is parallel to both. Now it will have true length in both the plane. Both the views it will be having its true length. Got it? Because it's parallel to both. So we will be getting true length in both the views. Okay. Now a line is inclined to HP and parallel to VP. Now adjust your pencil accordingly. Okay. I won't be waiting for this time, but you do by yourself. So inclined to HP but parallel to VP, it will be like this. Understand? It is parallel to VP but inclined to HP like this. Now front view. It is having inclination, it is parallel to VP, so that front view will give us the true length. A dash B dash will give us the true length. Whereas C, the top view is shorter than actual. Got it? Same way, now inclined to VP and parallel to HP, the reverse case. Now this is parallel to HP but inclined to VP. Okay. So now where we will get the true length? We will get the true length in which plane?
HP.
HP.
Correct. Okay, got it. Here it is. True length in HP, that AB. Okay, now a line inclined to both HP and VP. Now you carefully just follow this. Okay. We have seen this, how to draw. This is inclined to both HP and VP. Okay, so this is view and it is not the actual inclination, it is not parallel to VP. So we will have that alpha. And here we will get beta because it is not parallel to any of the plane. Okay. So this is the pictorial representation. Fine, of the same angle. On removal of line AB, you will get this image. This is the final answer. How to get this answer? That is the whole procedure there, to collect a locus and you create the true length and take the arc of that on that locus. That will you will see how to get that. Okay. So front view is seen in VP clearly. Okay, to see the here. And this thing is nothing. This is just for these only. Now we can see both the views properly. This is top view, front view. But as the line is inclined to both the planes, neither of these is true inclination or true length. Problem is that you are asked to find the true length and true inclination. How you will do that? Okay, these both are reduced view. Okay, so now that we will see. This is it. Okay, this is the orthographic projection with alpha and beta. What we have got here, this same image is this. Okay, now AB is not parallel to XY line. Fine, hence its corresponding front view A dash B dash is also not showing the true length. Yes, that we know. So how we will get that? When front view and top view is known. Now we will talk about both the both the sides of problem. What I shown you earlier, na, that sorry, just hold a second, I will just share it. Okay, so I discussed you two ways, that you are given set of few things and you will find this, or you are given these and you will find this. Both things we will discuss here. Okay, right now what is that, that views are given, front view and top view is given. Okay, how to find true length, that we will see, and true inclination also. So this is the first what is given. So if this is given, from views are given, then you must be given this apparent angle also, so that you can generate this image. First of all, this is, so in this problem what we are discussing right now, this schematic what is generated is from problem statement only. You haven't started solution as yet. You have just represented what is given in the pictorial form, that's it. Solution will start afterwards. Now we will start. See here, this is top view is given, so the top view is rotated like this. You can simultaneously write down in the language you can understand better, in whatever mode you can understand better. This is the first step. We rotated the top view, then sorry, then we get this point B2. Now one more thing, this must always be B2. When we make line parallel to any plane, that is denoted by this 2. Okay, then we draw its projection in vertical plane. Okay, so before that, see here, one more thing is that you observe it here. This view is given, a dash b dash, and locus is already created. We know it will be straight line only, that's why it is already created without any problem. We knew on that, we understand on that day practically how that line is coming straight. Okay, so now we will do that. So this is rotated, B2 point now projected upwards. Okay, so now this one is B1 and it is in front view, so dash. This line will be the actual line. So from top view's length of top view, this is the length of top view, we will get actual front view, actual true length in front view. Sorry, again listen carefully. With length of top view, we will get true length in front view, like this, by following this procedure. First of all, we will rotate it, we'll project it upward, and we will cut that locus, this line, because it is, see, it is showing now. As you get the line and it's a true length, you are also simultaneously getting true angle with HP. Now we will follow the reverse procedure for this to get the true length in horizontal plane, or say top view. What we will do, we have this front view, we will rotate this. Okay, now what can be done, pay attention here. Now this view is given, so this can be rotated like this, understand. Then we can have here this locus, it can be projected like this, so it is cutting at this point, so this will become your B1 and this will be the true length, and this angle will be phi. Got it? What procedure we did to bring this line, the same procedure we can do from top to bottom also. Getting any doubt up to this?
No, sir.
Okay, so this is how we get the true length in front view. Okay, What it is telling now? This case, top view is rotated and made parallel to xy line. Yes, and hence its corresponding front view is showing the true length into inclination. Yes, we know, and we know the other way around also. If we make front view parallel, then we'll have get true length here. Okay. Now second side problem, reverse direction. Now here we went to college from home. Now we will return to home from college. True length is known. Then you draw front view and top view. How to do that? And this is true length is given. So true angle is also known. Then only we can fix this true line. Okay. So this is true length, and this is also given. Fine. Now what is the next step? We got the locus. We know it will be projection will be locus will be here only straight line. So we drew that on both the way. This is also this. Now we'll take projection up to this, and this we will take into front view. Understand? What we are following the exact reverse procedure what we did here. Here we went to here and joined it. Now this is given, so we'll bring this down. So ultimately this horizontal line is created here. And now we will rotate it. And it will cut somewhere in this. You will see here. See, it is rotated. And it is cutting here. That is the front view. Got it? If you need to do it reversely, what you could have done, that I will show you whether it's given or not. So this is the front view. Now for top view also it will be given. Now see, the true length front view projection is brought down on this line. Okay. So ultimately we are assuming that this line, this point, this A up to this point is being parallel to this line, and then we will cut one arc by putting compass on A. So it is cutting that straight line on this point, and that will be your top view. Any doubt, anyone? So that will be the theta, because it's angle with view, na? That's why it will be tan alpha. Okay. So here A1 component is of top view. This is A1 of top view. What is the top view? This is the top view. It is given. Okay. So it gives the length of front view. We project it upward, so ultimately it gives the length of front view. I told you it is reverse. And if this is brought down, it will give us the length of top view. This A dash one dash, and this A1 is the length of front view. Clear? Anyone? Any doubt? What is the procedure? Please ask me if you are having any doubt. Please ask me. No one is having any doubt? Am I audible? Am I audible?
Yes, sir.
So किसी को कुछ डाउट? अपना अपना तो नो बोलो, और के लिए क्यों वेट कर रहे हो? If someone is having no doubt, then that person should say at least no. Is there any doubt to anyone how to solve this?
No, sir.
सर एंगल तो दिया होगा ना, ये थीटा और बीटा.
Yes, theta and phi. Theta and phi. Two
हाँ,
angles with true length, two angles are given.
ओके.
Ultimately, you first of all you need to draw the box. That box. What are things are given that you should know? You should fill up. Automatically, remaining thing you need to find. That's it.
ओके.
Clear? So now we will see it further. Now this is the box somehow. Okay, that's theta phi. What these all things what we have already discussed. We need not to confuse this further. Okay, so this is how you will now distance. One more thing, one point. At times you will be asked. Now these 7 things are there in box. You may be asked something else. What you may be asked? Distance between end projectors. This is the distance between end projectors. These both are views. This is also view. This is also view. This point and this point is same. So distance between the projector and projectors. If you are asked, also find the distance between the end projectors. You are already having in your solution. You need to just measure this with scale and write it down. That's it. Understand? Then you can have these auxiliary questions like this. Position of A. Position of A means distance of A and A dash from XY line. If it is not given, then this is mostly given. What is not given is position of B. This point. This is mostly not given. Sorry. This is mostly not given. So that also you can measure. This B you got at last and B dash also you got. So you just find it distance from XY line. Okay. So what solution we have seen and what questions can be asked, that is all from that box. 7 things. Additional 3 things are here. Of that also, either of these 2 must be given. Then only we can initiate problem. Otherwise, where you will put that point A? Where you will put? Either of these points must be given. So other you can find if you have completed the problem. And this is the unique thing, distance between end projector. That is this, I told you. Distance between end projectors means it is the linear distance between the both the points, end points of the line. Linear distance along the XY line, along this XY line. It should not be like this. This is not this is wrong. It is this. This is correct. Got it? So we will have these additional 2 things. Okay.
Sir,
Yes.
sir, AB is equal to A dash B dash.
Sorry.
AB
Hmm?
is equal to A dash B dash.
Depends.
Oh.
It depends because it depends on angle of orientation. In which case it will, now you have touched upon that issue, in which case it will happen. Imagine when you will see the top view and front view of same length. In which case? Just imagine. Answer is simple.
Parallel to VP and HP.
Sorry?
Parallel to VP and HP.
Yeah, that is fine. That is simple cases. I am talking about inclined to both planes. Yeah, that is correct. That is also correct. If it is parallel, the same length will be there, top view and front. Yes, correct. Both will give us true length. Additionally, both will give us true length. In that case, what you told. But what my question is both the length of this view should be same while it is inclined to both the planes. That will happen in which case? Answer me. When it will happen? Answer me. A very simple answer. You just put your mind. Sorry?
Angle of top
Angle
TL
what?
and FP.
Your voice is
HP
cutting.
and VP.
Huh? I'm not able to hear you.
Angle theta and
Yes, your voice is cutting. Please repeat
theta and
again.
alpha. Sir.
No, theta and alpha not.
Theta
Theta and phi should be
and
same.
phi.
Theta theta and phi should be same.
Yeah.
Then automatically alpha beta will be same, and automatically it is AB and A dash B dash will be same. You just try to imagine if both it is
Okay.
inclined to 45 degree with HP and VP, then this thing, that is only one possibility. When it will happen? If the inclination angle is 45 degree, then only it is possible. If it is inclined at 45 degree with both the planes, then only these things possible. Then this image and this image will be exact mirror image. This will be the mirror. This will be the mirror, and this two will be exactly mirror image. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay, now we will see further. Okay, general cases. Now we will solve this problem. You also do it roughly in your notebook simultaneously, step by step. Whatever step is followed here, you just follow it. If you can understand it, you can do it by your own, then it is also fine. That is nice. But if you can't do, follow these steps. Now, first of all, see what is given. Line AB, length is given. First of all, what we will do, this is the, okay, we will first of all read that without anything pausing. Line AB is 75 mm long, and it is 30 degree and 45 degree inclined to HP and VP respectively. And A is 12 mm above HP and 10 mm in front of VP. Draw projection. Line is in first quadrant. Okay, this much is given. So what is the first step? First step. चलो फटाफट आंसर दो.
To draw XY line.
No, before that also.
To draw a table.
Yes, correct. Draw the table. Everyone draw table. How many rows will be there? Okay. Now, in that box, what things we are having? First is true length, then front view, and then theta, alpha, then top view, phi, and beta. Okay, this much done, everyone? All simultaneously do in
Yes.
your on your worksheet or whatever book you are having. If you are doing it in sketchbook, it is nice. Okay, now someone please fill this box for me. चलो इधर fill करो पहले. One person please fill one value. चलो भाई, why are you taking too much time? एक item fill करना है एक box में. You can help me that much. I'm too much tired. कुछ तो किया. चलो very good. एक हो गया. 75. Correct. Now someone please put other values. One person, one value. That's it. Now black line person, you can fill some other value. This is wrong. This is entirely wrong. Front view we need to draw. Draw its projection means draw these views that we don't have. What next thing we have? What next thing we have? Yes, this is something coming. Let me see whether it's correct or not. Yeah, yes, this is correct. This is also correct. Next. Okay, this is also correct. These three things are given: top view, theta, and phi. These things are given. Alpha we will get after the project problem is solved. Beta also we will get after this problem. Same way with top view and front view. Once we get these, we'll automatically get these. So okay, so we will see that. So this much thing is given. So how we will solve that? One more thing. If you need to draw any problem, you need to have some starting point, na? From where you will start. Okay, now what is the next step? Someone was correct. You will draw XY line and simultaneously X1, Y1 line. Okay. So now what is the next step? So this should be prepared after box. Okay. So the
12 mm above.
location of this is given. See, we need to have some starting point. The starting point is given. Point A is given. Okay. So we will create that thing. How we will create? C. So this you don't right now you don't read these steps solution steps. It will be there only, but you don't right now you don't read that. So first is XY line. Okay. Then some the point A is located. Fine. It is 12 mm above from HP. So we can see it in front view. Correct. So this is 12 mm and front view. That's why it's that it is in front view, so that's why it will be 8 dash. Same way it is 10 mm in front of VP, so 10 mm here we will get that A. So this is 12 mm, this is 10, this is VP, this is HP. So everyone, it is very nice habit to draw write this XY. After that you also write VP here and HP here. So what? See, now you can understand it easily that when we are working here, this hole is VP. So this is 10 mm away from VP. It is 10 mm. Okay, it is clearly understandable. This is hole is HP. So this is 12 mm away from HP. Clear? It is nice practice to have. Then we will draw this horizontal line. That is fine. No problem. Because we require to measure angles. So now we will measure one angle here. How much angle this is? This angle will be
45.
30.
30.
who said 45? From where the 45 came? This is 30. This is horizontal plane.
30.
Sorry?
30.
30, yes. This angle will be 30 and this will be the true length. Length of this will be, this length will be A dash, B1 dash will be how much?
75.
75. It is given. Okay, so that's it. Now we will repeat, we'll generate this problem first of all here. We are doing that. We have not started the problem solution. Now what will be the angle? This angle?
40.
40. You all simultaneously do in your notebook, sketchbook also. If you are doing in sketchbook, it is nice. You would not require to repeat it later on. This is 40. That 5 is given. And from that box, we had that box here. You know, this is given, this is given, this is given. Okay. Now next step. See what is the next step. So we get this B1. So what is the nomenclature you understand here? Whenever we are having true length, its end point is noted by B1 or B1 dash, depending upon which view it is. If it is in front view, dash will be there. If it is top view, there won't be any dash. So now we will draw that locus. Okay, we know this thing. It will be here only. The end point will travel in this line only. Understand? This is correct. This much is correct or not?
Yes.
Yes. So these things, up to this we have just implemented what is given here in words. That's it. What is given here in words, that we have drawn here. That's it. And by doing so, 60 up to 70% of problem is solved actually. You will see here, actually 60 to 70% problem is solved already. Now you require to draw 2 arcs only. That's it. You will see it. Okay. So now we will project it upward. This will be the top view length. Understand? And we will cut the arc. This is front view length. Okay, because it is downwards, and it will be cut like so. You don't get confused in this front view length or top view length. Understand? What we will do is, this is in top view, so we will have this at length of front view. Understand? This we are actually going in reverse. How to get front view? In that direction we are going. Actually, length of front view is this, a dash to this. But these and these is same. Are you getting? This length, and this length is same. Both are this length of front view. True length in top view is projected upwards. That will give us front view length. You just write it down right now. True length of top view, sorry, add one word, projection of true length in front view will give us length of front view. I'll repeat again. Projection of true length in top view, this line will give us length of front view. What we did, we got the projection upward, and that straight horizontal line is nothing but the length of front view. So what we did here, next step, we'll put our compass here, we'll measure this much distance is measured, and arc is cut, so we'll get one point here. We'll see that point. Here we got it, and we got the front view also. This is our front view. That's it. So after initially drawing whatever you are having, how much steps you did? 1 and 2. You got the front view in only 2 steps. Also you got the apparent angle alpha. Got it? So same way what we will do for same procedure we will do for this top view also. We will require top view, na? So we will project this downward, P1 dash. Sorry, that's B dash. Okay, because already we are having this. Then that will give us, because now you need, see, now, okay. Now see, either view you got, after that you can have projection directly. Understand here, we got this. Then what we did, we directly drawn projection of this on this locus. It will directly give us. On the other way around, it will be done. Wait a minute, just you just hold 1 second. Now, once we get either view, whether it's front view or top view, then our life becomes a lot easier. Directly you draw the projection, it will give us a shutter view. We could have done by this manner also. Same way, what we did here, we will again repeat it for downwards like this. Wait a minute. Okay, what we will do? We'll draw this projection up to this. Then we'll measure this distance. We'll take this much arc and we'll cut that arc. It will all exactly cut at that point. Are you getting me? Understood or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
What you did from B1 to B dash, what you did to get B1 B dash from B1, same can be done from B1 dash to get B also. And if you don't want to do that, after getting either view, you can directly project it also. Understood? So now here we have already got front view and top view. Both the things we have got simultaneously. We have got the what other things we got that we will see. So we got this front view first, top view second. Sorry, I will write it now. So we got first front view, second top view. We got from that box alpha. We got here beta. Fine. 1, 2, 3, 4. We are already having these things. We are already having true length. This. Now from that added table, you have also got the distance between end projectors. Got it? Additionally, you get the location of B. Location of B. A was given. It is given A. Now you got the location of B also, where it is situated. So measure this distance, this much away from HP, and measure this distance, this much away from VP. Same way, what is described for A, you also got the location of B. So this can also be asked. Understand? So by doing just after generating, you only did 3 or 4 steps, and you got whole box to get filled up with you. Basic box we are having 7 things, fine. Then we are having 3 additional things: location of these, which is already given, and distance between these end projectors. That also we got it. You require to just measure with scale. That's it. This distance, and this distance. Clear? Any doubt, anyone? Anyone having any doubt how to draw the projection of line? This is the most complex problem. Okay. What we are having the most complex problem, the incline to both line. That's it. So this is it. But see how simple it is. To if you want to understand this is tougher. This was tougher. Otherwise, if you mug up that it is straight line only, that is no issue. Okay, straight line only. Then problem would have been this problem we would have solved 2 labs back. But we wanted to know how this becomes the straight line and how you want to have this arc. Why this arc and why this straight line? Now, if someone asks you in interview or anywhere, you can answer easily. Got it? Anyone having any doubt in this? Please ask me right now.
No, sir.
Anyone? किसी को भी कुछ डाउट नहीं है?
No, sir.
Okay, we will move to next. Now, please, have you done in your notebook?
Yes.
What is the length
Yeah.
of front view? What is this length? A dash B dash.
Roughly किया है सर.
हाँ? रफ में किया है? किसी ने फेयर किया है? Okay, no problem. Now next.
सर 55 आ रहा है.
Huh?
56.
Okay, nice.
6.
And what is the location of B? So you need to solve this problem. You write down this problem statement. You need to solve this problem in sketchbook. Everyone, please take a screenshot of these. This is the first problem. We may take these in sheet also. Please take the screenshot. This is the problem number 1 for sheet. Okay, now we will move to next. Now read the problem statement. Line AB is long, makes 45 angle with VP, while its front view makes 55 degree. And A is 10 mm above HP and 15 mm in front of VP. If the line is in first quadrant, draw its projection and find its inclination in HP, etc. etc. So first step. What is the first step? Fast. Don't waste much time.
Table.
Table. Very good.
Table.
Yes, very good. Prepare a table, everyone. And this time everyone will do fair work. Even in lined notebook also fair work. It won't take much time. Do it fast. And this time make 10 rows. First we are having true length. Okay. Second we are having front view. Then we are having theta, alpha, top view, phi, beta, A, B, ends. Okay. Now we will fill up this. Now we will fill up these things, whatever is given. You do it in your notebook. This is given.
True length 75.
Student is 75. Very good. Now anyone else, please speak up. Rather than drawing here, you just tell me. I will write it down. What is next given? Speak up fast. Write down from this line. What is the first number? Okay, 75. We have got. What is this 45 degree? What is that? Huh?
5.
5. Correct. This is 45. Okay, move towards next. Front view makes 55. What is this? This 55. Huh?
Theta.
This is front view is making, not the true length is making.
Alpha.
This is alpha.
Alpha.
This is alpha. Don't get confused. Things are simple. Simple things only make a life difficult. Now, and a location is given. So this is given. Okay. Is in first. Okay, this much thing is given. That's it. Now, complete the box. Prepare your box in your notebook. What is the next step? First of all, draw one line XY. Now locate A. A is easily given. First of all, locate A. So additionally, we do addition. What has happened? So that box, assume that box to be available there. You all are having your box with you. So the next step is we write it here VP and here HP. So now it is a lot easier to locate A, isn't it? So A is located, okay, as per given dimension 10 mm and 15 mm, correct? Now true length and angle is given. So we will first of all do that. What angle is given? 45. So we will do that. And true length is also given. So we will basically get B1. Up to this, everything is correct. Now for 55 angle is given. So we will make 55 angle and we will draw one line. We won't draw the end point as of now. We don't know where it will end, but we will draw that line. Correct. After that, we will draw the locus from B1. Okay. Now it will be projected upwards. Okay. Then we will have one arc. Okay. That arc will intersect that inclined line at some point. So that will be the front view. So these we have generated front view. Now we will draw locus from that horizontal line from that. Or alternatively, what? How can we draw its top view? Alternatively, after the
Projection.
directly you bring that projection down. That will easily give you the directly top view like this. So this is top view. Clear? Then we require what you require. Yeah, this is now we don't need to go for true length here. You already know what is the true length, but we are told to find inclination with HP. For that, we will have to draw this true length. So we will measure the true length 75 mm. We'll put our compass here and we'll cut one arc somewhere here. Okay, here. So this is the true length, and this is so what we get from that box. Now we have got this is theta that we get. If asked or not, always fill that box completely. That beta is also known. Okay, the location of B can also be known. This is the location of B from HP, and this is the location of B from VP. Correct. So location of B is also known. Then what is balance? Distance between N projectors. So this is it. This is also known. So our box is filled up. Anything balance in your box? Anyone? Answer me. Anyone? Anything balance in your box? Please answer me. Have you understood or not? Is it clear to everyone? Please answer me.
Yes, sir, understood.
It is easy or not? Projection of line.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So both these problems will be there in your sketchbook. Out of these two, which will be on your sheet, that I will tell you later on. First of all, you write it down again. If you don't have, you just take a screenshot of this problem number 2. Later on, don't ask me. And also take the problem number 1, screenshot of problem number 1. Sorry, not too far. This is the problem number 1. You take the screenshot of this also. Okay, clear everyone? Everything is clear? Any doubt to anyone? Please ask me right now. Is there any doubt to anyone? Anyone, any doubt? Answer me.
No,
Am
sir.
I? हाँ तो answer immediately ना. I asked 5 to 7 times. Okay, we'll stop here for today. But complete these 2 problem in your sketchbook. Both of them. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Okay.